Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Real quick video. We're going to be going over the parking brake adjustment now that we've replaced whatever components need to be replaced. We're going to round out this 4-part series by showing you how to adjust that parking brake to ensure that all your new parts are working properly. As you can see here in the service manual, you can see this is the inside of the console where you have the threaded rod and the 10mm nut. Shows you, this is where the cover is removed, and you bring it up 4 clicks so that you can access the adjuster nut. I'm showing you on here because it's just too hard to show you in the car. And so you're going to turn that adjuster nut clockwise, which tightens the cable, or counterclockwise, which basically takes tension off of those cables. The correct adjustment is achieved when the adjuster nut is loosely touching the lever when the lever is in its lowest, which is the fully released position. To put this in perspective, you do not need to yank the crap out of your handbrake assembly. When you do that, you are just putting premature wear. So the goal here is to have the parking brake engage by the 4th or 5th, I would say 4th click of the upright position. What I did was, after I adjusted that nut in the center console, my driveway is on an incline. So what I did was, I have the car facing down the incline, I had the car in neutral, and I would engage the parking brake. If it held, I knew I was very close. And so then at that point, I started the car, put it in gear, and then started releasing the clutch and pulling against the parking brake with the engine. And if it moved, then I tightened it a little bit. In some states, that is part of the state inspection. In Massachusetts, they would pull against the parking brake. So that's why I did it. It also kind of accommodates in case there's a really steep incline. And if you're on a shallow incline setting it, maybe it holds there, but it doesn't hold on something that's really steep. So that's why I did it that way. It's just extra insurance. And again, you just want to make sure that the parking brake is not dragging when it's fully released. Any questions, absolutely let me know down in the comments. I always appreciate it. And thank you so much for people that are watching. It seems like people are watching and enjoying my videos lately, which is really, really exciting. So thanks for watching, guys. We will talk to you in the next one. Take care.